Ready to supercharge your workflow automation skills and become an N8n ninja? First, head straight to the source N8n. Their official documentation is a goldmine. You'll find everything from installation guides to detailed explanations of each node treated as your N8n Bible. Dive into the Getting Started section to grasp the core concepts. Pay close attention to the node reference. This is where you learn how each node functions and what parameters accepts. It's crucial for building effective workflows. Next, tap into the power of the N8n community forum. It's a vibrant space where users share solutions, ask questions, and offer invaluable advice. Don't be afraid to browse existing threads or post your own queries. Jump over to YouTube. The official N8n channel and countless community creators offer tons of video tutorials. Look for videos that cover specific use cases or nodes you're struggling with. Visual learning can make a huge difference. Don't just watch, build. The best way to learn N8n is by doing. Start with simple workflows like connecting a trigger node to a notification service and gradually increase the complexity. Explore the N8n templates library. It's packed with pre-built workflows that you can adapt to your own needs. Reverse engineering these templates is a fantastic way to learn best practices and discover new node combinations. So, dive into the documentation, engage with the community, watch tutorials, and most importantly, start building. With these resources and a bit of practice, you'll be automating like a pro in no time. Good luck, and happy automating!